Welcome in the hands-on Java 12 regular expression course. My name is Tomasz Żelek and I am a software engineer programming mostly in Java and also Scala. I am a fan of microservices architecture and functional programming. I am working with core Java SDK and JDK for past 6 years. I was using multiple APIs, including regular expression API. So let's see what we will learn throughout this course. At the beginning, we'll be getting started with Java Regular Expression API, and also we will learn about pattern and matcher classes that are main constructs of Regular Expression API. We'll be adding testing capabilities to validate our regular expressions. Section 2 will be about using pattern class with character, so we will be using predefined set of features that are available in Regular Expressions API. In the next section, we'll be using quantifiers with capturing groups, so we'll be trying to write a regular expression that is able to match occurrence of something multiple times. Fourth section will be about boundary matchers and pattern class methods, so we'll build even more complex things at top of the existing regular expression concepts. Finally, we'll be solving most complex problems with matcher class methods. So also we'll be looking at the performance of regular expressions. And let's look at the prerequisites of this course. So you need to have an understanding of Java language, you need to have IntelliJ IDE installed and modern laptop or desktop computer. And this course is for those who want to learn to use regular expression, and we will be doing it using regular expression API in Java programming language. Thus, the prior knowledge of the Java language is assumed. Let's go through the key features. So this is a hands-on guide to learning the most important parts of developing regular expression with Java 12, so there will be a lot of practical examples. We'll be leveraging most powerful regular expression APIs, matcher and pattern classes. Finally, you will make your regular expression robust using built-in constructs into Java regular expression API. So let's go to the first section, in which we'll be getting started with Java regular expression API.